What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best ramps for cars on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Black Widow PSR2 95 plastic car service ramps. Just because you don't want to spend a ton on a ramp for your vehicle doesn't mean you can't get a high-quality one. The Black Widow PSR2 95 plastic car service ramps are just that, a high-quality vehicle ramp available for a great price. It can handle vehicles up to 10,000 pounds, and with each ramp weighing just 9 pounds each, it's easy to set up and move around. Even better is the fact that it supports tires as wide as 12s, so you can easily use it for larger vehicles. And while the plastic design might not be quite as sturdy as steel or aluminum, the traction grooves on the ramp do a great job of helping your vehicle get up the ramp without sliding it around. Still, it is a lower-priced ramp, and a big reason for this is the lower maximum lift that it gives you. It lifts your vehicle more than 6 inches off the ground, but for a ramp that's not great for low-profile vehicles, just over 6 inches is on the lower end of things. It's enough to get most jobs done, though, and at this price point, it's hard to complain. As long as you don't have a lowered vehicle, this ramp should have everything you need to get the job done. In our list, the number 4 product name is FloTool 11909 RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair. These rugged ramps from Rhino Gear feature a non-skid base and a tread pattern that prevents tires from slipping with a 17-degree incline that is useful for low-clearance vehicles. They're also stackable when not in use and can hold vehicles up to 12,000 GVW gross vehicle weight with tires as wide as 9 inches. That's good enough for most cars and small to medium Cias. Rhino Gear made them of a sturdy, heavy-duty polymer, and it takes just seconds to set them up and drive a vehicle onto them. They also provide a good amount of clearance, enough to place a 5-gallon water bucket underneath. But there are downsides. The main being is if you hit the guards on the ends of the ramps while driving, the vehicle may drag them forward, and too much power or momentum can cause the ramps to slide and potentially crack. In our list, the number 3 product name is Black Widow PSR2 95 plastic car service ramps. This set of black plastic ramps from Black Widow, an unfortunate name for a tool that's meant to impart safety, will lift your car or truck up to 6.25 inches off the ground. Each ramp measures 35.5 x 12 x 8.5 inches and is able to accommodate vehicles that weigh up to 16,000 pounds. The ramps have a gentle slope and a tire stopper at the end of the flat platform, and a gridded surface texture aids your tires in getting traction. They also have rubber feet on the bottom, which makes using these ramps safer and easier. There are also handle cutouts on the side to make carrying them easier. Unfortunately, the plastic used to manufacture these ramps is not the most durable, and you'll want to keep an eye out for cracking. They're also bulky, and you can't stack them, which makes storage a challenge. In our list, the number 2 product name is Discount Ramps Low-Profile Plastic Car Service Ramps. This is another option from Discount Ramps for lower-profile cars, as this set of 2 ramps have a low incline of 9.5 degrees. These ramps are made of heavy-duty plastic and feature a honeycomb design on the ramp and platform for better grip, stability, and helps to prevent the buildup of moisture. Each ramp measures 27.5 LX73, 4YUX 2.5H, and they have a maximum weight capacity of 4,400. The plastic construction keeps them lightweight at just 9 pounds, which makes them a breeze to move about. While these lifts are designed for low cars, they don't actually lift the car very much. In total, they raise the car 2.5, so you may have to use a jack or service lift to get it further into the air. They also don't have any rubber or non-slip footings, so they'll slide around on your garage floor. In our list, the number 1 product name is FloTool 11909AB RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair, a top pick for both consumers and critics. The Rhino Gear 11909AB My Car ramp features a superb anti-slip surface and sturdy construction, allowing it to support heavy personal and commercial vehicles. The rugged texture can help you position your vehicle anywhere on the ramp without worrying about whether it will. Each ramp can take on 12,000 pounds of weight. The resin material can withstand significant pressure from any angle, providing reliable stability in the shop or on the job site. The only drawback to the Rhino Gear car ramp is that it has a shorter clearance than many of its competitors.